Hi guys, today we talk about Oppo Reno 12 Pro versus Honor 200. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro launched on June 2024. The price is $500. The Honor 200 launched on May 2024. The price is $550. The dimensions: height 6.47 inch of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, width 2.96 inch, thickness 7.5 mm. The Honor 200, height 6.36 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 7.7 mm. The weight of Reno 12 Pro 180 gram. The Honor 200 187 gram. The Reno 12 Pro build front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The Honor 200 front and back glass and plastic frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card port. The display, it's come with AMOLED and OLED 1 billion color screen type display. The screen size is same 6.7 inches and the resolution Reno 12 Pro come with 1080p. The Honor 200 comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPA density of Honor 200 is 436. The Reno 12 Pro to 394. It's come with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio is 89.4% Reno 12 Pro and the Honor 200 90.0% screen to body ratio. The Honor 12 Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The Honor 200 comes with Gorilla Glass protection. Reno 12 Pro comes with 1200 nits peak of brightness. The Honor 200 comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: Reno 12 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and it has LED flash, HDR panorama and record 4K 30fps video. The Honor 200 come with triple camera setup to 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash, HDR panorama, 4K 30fps video record. And the both mobile come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30fps video record. The platform: the Honor 200 come with octa-core Cortex-A715 with 2.63 GHz CPU. The Reno 12 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-A78 with 2.5 GHz CPU. The Honor 200 come with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Reno 12 Pro come with MediaTek 7300 Dimensity with 4nm chipset, and the GPU is Reno 12 Pro Mali G615. The Honor 200 come with Adreno 720. The both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The Honor 200 come with 8 GB, 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. The Reno 12 Pro come with 12 GB of RAM. The internal storage is same 256 GB and 512 GB, and Reno 12 Pro support micro SD card. The battery backup of these devices: the Honor 200 come with 5200 mAh battery, the Reno 12 Pro come with 5000 mAh battery, and the Honor 200 port 100 watt fast charging. The Reno 12 Pro port 80 watt fast charging. The both mobile could not support wireless charging, and it come with 5G network support. The commons and the feature of these mobile: it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC infrared port, Type C 2.0, NFC, UFS 3.1, fingerprint under display, IP65 and 64, water and dust resistant. The result of these devices: the Reno 12 got 18 points and the Honor 200 got 23 points, 3 points.
I'm changing.